Go home happy with the 2023 BMW X5. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The X5 speaks the language of adventure. Big and bold, its all-terrain versatility, advanced driver-centered technology, and sublimely luxurious interior are ready to take you wherever inspiration beckons. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: head-up display, front massage seats, intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, sun, moon roof, keyless entry, hands-free liftgate. Experience the pleasure and assurance of owning the journey. Drive the X5.